Good morning! How's everyone doing? Welcome to the 4th annual Arizona Shavers Meetup! Who's excited to be here, guys? Yeah! I am so excited to once again host all of the guys, all the gals, all the people out here who've decided to traditionally shave. I just want to say, I love the wet shaving movement. I love being part of this. I love growing. I love all the awesome things we get to do, all the awesome products we get to make, all the great soaps, and razors, and brushes, and strops, and all the awesome things that wet shaving is all about. But most importantly, it's about community. It's about people getting together, enjoying things, sharing, trading, piffing, discussing, chatting, discoursing, forming, Facebooking, YouTubing, all these awesome things that bring us all together because we all love wet shaving. We all love the passion, the hobby, the products, the vendors. Let's have a fantastic meetup, and thank you guys for coming to the Arizona Shavers meeting. This is 458-228.
That's me.
Well, right over here. All right, there you go. Congratulations. You guys have already walked around, so you probably have picked up on a lot of it, of what Razor Emporium does. We're really, really happy that Razor Emporium is kind of multifaceted. And today, with the addition of this new mill we'll talk about, we're kind of getting a whole new facet. So over here we have a sandblasting cabinet. Sandblast gives that nice satin finish on your parts that you're used to. A lot of the modern razor makers use that. This machine will be producing, as of today, literally right now, the very first aluminum Rex razor. So we're happy to announce today that we're going to be making, it's called the Rex Pace. These are actually firearm glasses. You put them on, they have the yellow lenses for like accuracy. And these are what's called Inconel, which is it's a variation of nickel. It's an alloy.
Hi guys, I'm Daryl Brandt, the Dreaded Barber. We're here today at Razor Emporium as Matt has his annual shaving event. It's across the street from the Phoenix Rising Stadium. This is a chance for people to donate to the Dreaded Barber by getting a shave, and it helps me. I've got a nonprofit. We go out and provide haircuts for the homeless, so we're a linkage to care where people can get the things that they need, helping out the people that need it, the less fortunate in our community, and people like Matt and his organization here are making it possible.
First operation, the new aluminum razor on the base plate. This machine's set up to run 2 complete razors every cycle, so it'll run 2 base plates, 2 top caps. So every cycle you'll get 2 finished razors.
Thank you for your time and attention. I can answer any questions.